Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to enable data saving mode on YouTube Android. YouTube provides an option for limiting mobile data usage, which helps conserve data when streaming content on cellular networks. We will walk through turning on data saving mode on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Select General to control default features and filters. Options for customizing YouTube connectivity include a toggle for Limit Mobile Data Usage, which determines whether data is spared or high picture quality is prioritized when streaming videos. Turning this switch to the on position enables data saving mode. Consider your data plan allowance and visual preferences when determining if prioritizing data savings or higher resolution better suits your needs. Data saving mode can be disabled at any time if preferred. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to Limit Mobile Data Usage to the right, on position, to enable data saving mode. Then select either Save Data or Higher Picture Quality, depending on whether minimizing data usage or video quality is more important. Tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube streaming and usage on cellular networks on your Android device will now default to the selected data saving mode option until toggled off or additional general settings are changed. The default data saving mode can be switched between on and off going forward as preferred or required. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling cellular data consumption, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to enable data saving mode on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the three dots, select General, turn on Limit Mobile Data Usage, choose either Save Data or Higher Picture Quality, review, and tap Save. Your YouTube experience on mobile data will now default to the selected option unless data saving mode is disabled or other general options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing connectivity, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.